We are excited to introduce all renewed live pediatric board review courses with Dr. Osama Naga. Join us for an engaging, high-yield learning experience designed to elevate your board preparation. Learn directly from an expert in pediatrics and get the clarity, confidence, and guidance you need to succeed. Don't miss this powerful opportunity. Your pediatric board success starts here. Our 6-month live course takes place every Sunday beginning in April, giving you more flexibility, more study time, and a steady flow of high-yield information each week. Stay on track, stay motivated, and build your knowledge all the way up to your board exam with a schedule designed for your success. Live pediatric board review lectures will be delivered via Zoom. Attend the live courses via Zoom from anywhere in the world with internet access. Course wraps up with a powerful final revision by the end of September. You'll have the opportunity to review and master all pediatric board subjects in just 10 focused, consecutive days right from the comfort of your home. It's the perfect preparation to step confidently into your October board exam. Join the hundreds of doctors who have succeeded with us. Our YouTube lectures, new online courses, and comprehensive pediatric board review book have already helped hundreds of physicians pass their board exam. Now it's your turn. Let's achieve your success together. Click on the link below the video and learn more. Register your name now and we will contact you right before the course starts. Good luck in your exam.